I have a 12-Rees Kohler generator. When I go to start it, it's CC1 and then OC. I jumped out the starter and it tried to crank. I replaced the controller and it still does it. Checked all fuses and they are good.
When was the last time that was replaced? Do you need help finding the exact parts?
Today.
What's the make, model, and year of your car?
It's a Kohler generator.
Is there anything else the mechanic should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. Does the engine crank when you set the switch to run? The CC1 simply means crank cycle 1, it is the first cranking attempt. You didn't specify if the engine actually tries to crank before the OC code comes up. If it does not try to crank, you likely have a bad starter relay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.